Okay, here's Blake getting ready to do his logging. He's gonna unload that logging truck, load of logs. You need some help? Are you getting it? Okay, he's gonna swing it around. You have to raise it up higher. Better set the brake. I'll go help him set choker. Okay, it's ready, sir. Raise it up. Swing it around. Come up closer. It's ready. Just do it once. Let's do two more. Okay. Pull it up. Oh, we had a heck of an accident. People may have been hurt bad in that one. You need to set your own choker.
Okay, let me fix this. Okay, now do three. I think this can hold three.
Let's see if we can do the whole load. We're going to try to do something different. Come up a little bit closer. Let's take off this unit. That's his hook. Give me some slack.
This way.
The other way. More. 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 That's probably enough. Okay, pick it up. He's picking up 6 or 7 of them. Look at him unload those logs. Back up now. Set your brake. Set your brake. Set your brake. Lift them up. Lift them up. Somebody's under there. The other way. Lift them up higher. Oh no. Lift them up. Lift them up higher. Lift them up. Set your brake.
I'll get the brake.
He's setting the brake. Now, swing over this way. So I can... Just a minute, stop. See if you can put him back on the trailer.
I can't.
Try.
Oops, there's another guy. A lot of guys. Get off.
Okay, let him go down. Take off your brake.
There's no more guys.
Now we have to pick up the trailer. Yeah, just that. There you go.
Pick up.
Keep going. Pick it up higher. Stop. Okay, set the trailer over there.
I'm going to move it a little bit far.
Stop.
I can't because they're hurry.
Stop.
We're getting this fixed. We're at the fixing place.
And that's the end of it.